In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find sound effects for your videos in Filmora. So if you like any sound effect, you can simply get this, and even you can create it using AI features or tools in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So I have here this video and I'd like to go ahead and add a sound effect. For that, just head over to audio here, and then once you click on it, you will see we have quite a number of options here. Under this, we have sound effects. So if you click on this sound effect, you will see we have a list of sound effects that you can choose from. So if you go ahead and choose any, for instance, that is a click, you can use it in your creation. That is another one. So there are so many. You can also use any of these tags to find any of the sound effects that you wish. For instance, if you want stamp, you will find it. You can also go ahead and choose the category that you wish. For instance, we have this whoosh and we have click, and there are just too many. Now, once you have found your sound effect, you can go ahead and download it to start using it. And once it has been downloaded, now you can drag it to the timeline under audio and it will be added. And now if I move the cursor from the beginning, you should be able to hear it. You can also go ahead and create AI sound effect. This is where you have the ability to generate your own sound effect. For that, just go under AI audio here and then choose AI sound effect. Now from here, go ahead and describe the sound effect that you want, and then just go ahead and generate it here. So that's how you can create or find sound effects in Filmora video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.